only at the top, too. Sorry, some of my sleeves are upside down. I was confused because I literally just put them in the stack. All right. Wow. That is sick. All right, Holger Rune. H. Got a banger coming up. Got an absolute banger coming up. It was actually a banger. Boom! K-Spot getting a Karolina Muchova 1/1 Racket knob autograph. That is insane. Wow. That is so dope. I am not 100% sure about that. I wasn't the one who put the breaks out for today. Wow. Great start to the day here. Ridwan. Man, I'm on a roll for you, man. What up, Ron? I've been on a roll for Ridwan lately. I gotta chill out. Wow. No problem, dude. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. Shane was the one who put them out.
Did Sean get back to you about the clothes?
Oh, yeah. He texted me. We're fine. We're good, yeah. Yeah. Sebastian Corda. 75 of 75 S. Ron, I need that same luck for you. Sebastian Corda for S. Kentaro, good